smart adventurers! It's me again, Bob. Today, let's continue to explore interesting animals with me. Are you ready? Let's go! Welcome, young adventurers, to the mysterious world of spiders. These 8-legged creatures may seem scary at first, but they are truly fascinating creatures. Did you know that spiders are not insects, but rather arachnids? Unlike insects, they have 2 body segments and 8 eyes. Spiders come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny jumping spiders to the impressive tarantulas. They are skilled hunters, using their silk to spin intricate webs to catch their prey. So, grab your magnifying glasses and get ready to explore the incredible world of spiders.
Hello, curious explorers. Today we're leaping into the enchanting world of frogs. Frogs are amazing amphibians that can live both in water and on land. With their smooth, moist skin and long, powerful legs, they are built for hopping and swimming. Did you know that frogs start their lives as tiny tadpoles, then undergo a magical transformation called metamorphosis to become frogs? These croakers come in a rainbow of colours and sizes, from the tiny tree frogs to the majestic bullfrogs. Join us as we dive into ponds, marshes and rainforests to discover the fascinating life of frogs. Ahoy, young adventurers! Prepare to dive into the briny depths of the ocean as we uncover the captivating world of shrimp. These tiny crustaceans may be small, but they play a mighty role in marine ecosystems. Shrimp are known for their sleek bodies, adorned with delicate antennae and graceful tails. Did you know that there are thousands of species of shrimp, ranging from the colourful peacock mantis shrimp to the translucent glass shrimp? These agile swimmers are essential prey for many ocean predators and are cherished delicacies in cuisines worldwide. So, grab your snorkels and join us as we embark on a shrimptastic journey beneath the waves.